In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create playbooks in HubSpot. To do that, you first need to head over right here into your HubSpot and then go over to the sales. And once you're there, you just need to locate the playbooks. If it's not available, you can also search right here under the search bar and proceed to search right here for playbook. You can find it right here under the apps to proceed to click on that. Once you click on it, you can find it right here. Here is our playbook that we don't have yet. So if you don't have one, just click onto this create playbook. You can either start from scratch or select from playbook templates. So let's start from scratch right here and click on create. And then after that, it should be able to add right here some contents. You can add a title for this particular playbook. Like for example, let's input right here refusal to buy. Then input right here a question you'd like answered. Just click on this edit. And then input right here the question like I don't wanna buy. And then input right here what will be the course of action for this. You can add quick answer 1 and quick answer 2 for this. Just add right here the options and restrict right here to single answers if you want. Just proceed to add some more if you want to by clicking on this plus icon, then adding some more questions, headings, and the likes. Once you're done, proceed to click on publish. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.